Facts about world that you should know.
10 facts that will make you question your entire existence. Here are interesting facts about the world. One. The Earth is approximately 4.5 billion years old. 2. There are more than 7,000 languages spoken worldwide. 3. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest living structure on Earth and can be seen from space. 4. Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas, is the highest peak on Earth, standing at 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, above sea level. 5. The Amazon rainforest in South America is home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. 6. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world, covering an area of about 3.6 million square miles, 9.4 million square kilometers. 7. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. 8. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on our planet, covering more than 63 million square miles, 165 million square kilometers. 9. Lightning strikes around the world about 100 times per second. 10. The deepest part of the ocean is called Challenger Deep and it lies within the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean, reaching a depth of about 36,070 feet, 10,972 meters.